Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Here we need to find a equation of straight line passing through the point -1, 2 and making equal intercepts on the axis. That means with both x and y axis. For that we know equation of straight line is y equals to mx plus c. Now in order to find the x intercept, let's substitute y equals to 0 in the equation, which yields mx plus c equals to 0. That gives rise to x equals to minus c by m. Now let's find the y-intercept. For that we need to substitute x equals to 0, which yields y equals to m times x is equals to 0. So m times 0 plus c. That yields y is equals to c. But in the question it is clearly given that both the intercepts are equal intercepts. So c is equals to minus c by m. That yields m equals to minus c by c. C gets cancelled. We will have m is equals to minus 1. So the equation reduces to y is equals to m is equals to minus 1. So minus x plus c. Now let's substitute x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 and y equals to 2 in order to find the value of c. That yields y is 2. So 2 equals to minus of x is minus 1 plus c. That yields c is equals to 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Therefore the final equation is y equals to minus x plus 1, that is equals to x plus y equals to 1. The correct answer is option C. You can also solve the problem without using any equations. Just substitute x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in the given options. If both values matches, then that is the correct answer, because in the question it is clearly said that equal intercepts on both the axes. So let's check options one by one. For option A, let's substitute x equals to 0, 0 minus y equals to 1, that yields y is equals to minus 1. Now let's substitute y equals to 0, that yields x minus 0 equals to 1, which is equals to x equals to 1. So these two values are not same. So this is not the correct answer, because it is x intercept and this is y intercept. Both intercepts are not equal. Now let's check option B. Let's substitute x equals to 0, which yields 0 minus 2y equals to 1. That yields y equals to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, let's substitute y equals to 0. We will have x minus 2 times 0 equals to 1, which yields x equals to 1. Again, both are not same. So this is also wrong answer. Let's substitute in option C. Let's x equals to 0, that yields 0 plus y equals to 1, that is y equals to 1. Now let's substitute y equals to 0, that yields x plus 0 equals to 1, which equals to x equals to 1. So y is also equals to 1 and x is also equals to 1. This is the correct answer. Now let's check option D. Let's substitute x equals to 0 here. 0 minus y equals to 2, that yields y equals to minus 2. And then substitute y equals to 0, that yields x minus 0 equals to 2, which is equals to x equals to 2. So these two are not same, because here we got minus 2 and here 2. So the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer.